For this video, we are going to work on phoneme substitution. Phoneme is a sound. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the beginning sound of a word and see if the student can say the new word. For example, if the word was bug, I could say change the B to R, and the word is rug. And we'll go ahead and have them pull because, like I said in a previous video, going across the midline does something in the brain and it helps students read better. So if you would like to bring your child to the video, we can practice with you. Okay, what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna give you a word such as bug, and I might say, change the B, which is the beginning sound, change the B to R, and you will pull the new word, rug. Okay, so let's try a few. The first word is sit. Change the S to H. Hit. The next word is cut. Change the K to M. Mutt. The next word is bake. Change the B to R. Rake. The next word is sit. Change the S to M. Mitt. The next word is fun. Change the F to B. Bun. The next word is might. Change the M to F. Fight. The next word is wrap. Change the to T. Tap. And the last word is bat. Change the B to mat. And you can practice these with your parents too. Have them come up with a word and just change the beginning sound and you tell them the new word. Bye.